everyone. So welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss about our next video, that is applications of trigonometry. But before that, I want to tell you that in the previous video we have discussed about what is trigonometry, right? So trigonometry, again I am repeating it. Trigonometry, it's a type of maths. It's a branch of mathematics where we are learning, where we are dealing with the relationship between the angles and the length of their sides of a triangle. And you can apply trigonometry in any type of triangle, okay? Whether it is a right triangle or it is a non-right angle triangle, right? So before starting the video, so if you will like the video, please like and also share with others. And please subscribe my channel. So thank you so much. So let's start our next video, which is the application of trigonometry. Okay. Now, when we are discussing about the application of trigonometry, it means what? If I'm talking about application of trigonometry, it means I'm talking about the usage of trigonometry. Suppose I'm saying why you are using the hair oil. Okay, what is the application of hair oils? That nourishes your hair, okay, that makes your hair stronger, right? That protects your hair from dust, that protects your hair from dandruff, okay, so from many things. So that is the application of a hair oil. Similarly, if we are talking about the application of trigonometry, so let's discuss about that. So you can apply trigonometry in many areas, like you can apply trigonometry in architecture, or you can apply trigonometry in physics also. You can apply trigonometry in astronomy also. You can apply trigonometry in surveying also. So, and in many more areas, right? Suppose the very easiest example that we are using to show that where you are applying the trigonometry, these are the three very easiest example, okay? So trigonometry, as you know that it is a word which comes from the three word, that is tri, gono and metry, means triangle, okay? And in triangle, what you are measuring? You are measuring the angles and also the length of their sides, okay? And that is means the measurement. Now everyone, please understand, suppose we are talking about this, you know very well that it's one of the 7 wonders of the world, that is the Taj Mahal. So this is Taj Mahal, everyone. Now, how we are using the trigonometry here? Now, because suppose if we have to find out what is the height of this Taj Mahal, okay? So if any of one of your friend, okay, ask you, यार what is the height? इसकी height क्या हो सकती है? Trigonometry में ताजमहल की height क्या हो सकती है? So you can easily say, भाई trigonometry use करके हम easily इसकी height को measure कर सकते हैं, right? Because trigonometry ratio की बात करता है. So because it is a relationship between the angle and sides length of their sides, okay? So that is the relationship. Now everyone, so if we know the two sides, or if we know one angle, one side, or if we know one angle and the other side, we can easily find out the third one, okay? It means if we know the two things, we can find out the third one, right? So suppose I'm saying, everyone, please understand that suppose we have to find out the length of this Taj Mahal, the height of this Taj Mahal, sorry. So what we will do, everyone, so we'll make this altitude. If you will see this altitude, that is a 90 degree with the base. Now everyone, this is the base, everyone. So this is the base. This is a 90 degree angle, okay? And the line which is making a 90 degree angle with the base, that is the perpendicular, or you can say that is the height, or you can say it's the altitude. तो आप perpendicular भी बोल सकते हो, altitude भी बोल सकते हो, और आप इसको height भी बोल सकते हो. And this one is the hypotenuse. So हम ये next video में जरूर पढ़ेंगे regarding the three sides of a triangle. ठीक है, इसको आप हाइपोटेन्यूज बोलते हो. दिस वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो फॉर श्योर. सो अगर आपको दो साइड्स पता है, यू कैन इजिली फाइंड आउट द थर्ड वन. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको लेंथ निकालनी है तो आपको एक एंगल और एक साइड पता होने चाहिए। अगर आपको एंगल ही निकालना है तो आपको साइड्स का रेशियो पता होना चाहिए। सिमिलरली इन दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ लाल किला। सो अगर आपको इस लाल किला की हाइट निकालनी है, सो यू शुड नो आइदर दिस बेस और यू शुड नो आइदर दिस हाइपोटेन्यूज। या तो आपको हाइपोटेन्यूज पता होनी चाहिए या फिर आपको बेस पता होना चाहिए, दोनों में से एक, और आपको ये एंगल भी पता होना चाहिए। ओके, सो यू कैन also, similarly, you can also apply trigonometry to find out the height of the Eiffel Tower. Okay, so let's move towards the next part. Now, everyone, just a minute, everyone. Now, please read this. It's very important that trigonometry is what helps the architects to calculate roof slopes, ground surface. Suppose you are living in a hilly area. ओके, तो आप बहुत ही हिली एरिया में सपोज आप रहते हैं, वेयर यू विल गेट रेन ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस। सो हाउ यू विल मेक योर हाउसेस, आप हाउसेस कैसे बनाएंगे? तो आप हाउसेस कैसे बनाएंगे? यू विल मेक द रूफ, जो आप रूफ बनाओगे वो कुछ इस शेप में बनाओगे। क्यों? क्योंकि जब आपकी बारिश ऊपर से आएगी तो जो वाटर है वो आपका डायरेक्ट फ्लो डाउन हो जाए नीचे की तरफ, ठीक है, इकट्ठा ना हो, कलेक्ट ना हो। द वाटर शुड नॉट बी कलेक्ट ऑन द रूफ, ठीक है, सो इट शुड गो डाउन विद दिस टाइप ऑफ रूफ, ठीक है, इस रूफ से वो डायरेक्ट एकदम नीचे चला जाए। नाउ एवरीवन, आपको कितनी हाइट पे मिडिल पोर्शन पे आपको बीम खड़ा करना है, कितनी पोर्शन पे आपको ये पार्ट आपको स्टैंड अप करना है, दैट इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ द ट्रिगोनोमेट्री ओनली, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, structural loads, height of the width of the structures to design a mathematical graph. So basically कंस्ट्रक्शन में भी आप ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का यूज करते हैं, ठीक है, कौन सा पिलर कहां पे आएगा, कितनी दूरी पे आएगा, कितनी हाइट वाला आएगा, दैट्स कंप्लीटली द ट्रिगोनोमेट्री। Similarly, we are also using the trigonometry in astronomy also. Astronomy, suppose this is a star. Just a minute, everyone. Suppose I am showing this video. Please see this video, everyone. So this is the video which tells you regarding that planets, they are revolving around the sun. Okay, this video shows you that. Now, if you have to find out the distance between the two planets, or you have to find out the distance of one planet with the star, or you have to find out the distance of one planet with the sun. Okay, so you can easily use the trigonometry there. Okay. Now everyone, if you will see this portion, अगर आप ध्यान से देख पा रहे हैं इस पोर्शन को, suppose this is your earth, okay, this is your earth and this is your star, okay, so ये आपका स्टार है and this is your earth and you have to find the distance. आपको अगर distance पता करना है तो आपको एक height पता होनी चाहिए और एक साइड पता होनी चाहिए, सॉरी, एक ट्राइंगल की, और आपको एक एंगल पता होना चाहिए। ओके, तो एंगल आपका ये वाला भी हो सकता है और आपका ये वाला भी हो सकता है। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो कि हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में क्लियर करने वाले हैं कि हम कौन से एंगल की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। सो एक छोटी सी बात बता देती हूं मैं आपको, जो एंगल बी है वो तो 90 डिग्री होगा ही होगा, क्योंकि आपकी जो लाइन है ए बी वो परपेंडिकुलर है बीसी पर, तो ऑब्वियसली इट मेक्स एन एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्री। ओके, सो अगर मैं कह रही हूं कि ए बी परपेंडिकुलर है बीसी पर, तो बीसी तो आपका हो गया बेस। Now what we are talking about is the angle with respect to which we are finding out the lengths. So अगर आप एंगल ए की भी बात कर सकते हैं and you can also talk about angle C. जो आप थीटा इन्वॉल्व कर रहे हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के अंदर, वो थीटा आपका ए भी हो सकता है, वो आपका थीटा सी भी हो सकता है। That we will discuss in the next video. So okay, so thank you everyone. So if you will like the video, please share with others also and subscribe my channel. So thank you everyone. Yeah.